How's it going, YouTubers? Connor Todd 1818 here with you today, and I'm gonna make a video as I guess it's kind of a support video for people that have been asking about my Windows 8 video. And basically they've just been saying the link is broken and everything like that, just because I guess they thought it was and stuff like that. But they also, or one guy also asked for a tutorial on how to do it, because I know it is a little bit complicated, especially if you've never, run a virtualization before or anything like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and walk you through getting the file and then also downloading it and then running it in a virtual machine. And I showed you a little bit of it when I made this video right here, but I don't really walk you through the steps of how to set up the virtual machine. And I know there's videos out there and everything like that, but at the same time you may just want me to do it for you, so I totally understand. And thank you for the support, or for asking for the help. I love giving it to you. But as you can see here, tried all the links, not one of them works. And then how do you download and activate them, and can you make a tutorial? So that's what I'm doing. So as you can see, when I go down here to show more, I have all these different links. I type this out. I always edit this stuff because I'm constantly doing stuff with the channel. And so websites, things like that people may not really care about, but I put it up there just maybe because it really helps me out if you go check me out or something, if you like what I do. But anyways, I will go ahead and quit talking about that and go on to the video. And so you're going to want to go to this hopefully consistent link with no limit. And so you're just going to drag that up here, and it's going to be an AdFly link. Now the reason I'm doing this in Chrome and not Internet Explorer 10, which I really like, I got it the other day for Windows 7, and I think it's nice, but I don't like the whole downloading thing. I like the way Chrome downloads stuff. But anyways, you're going to go to this README file that it sent you to in the Google Drive. Now, I typed all this stuff out. Here are the instructions, but if you want to see me do it instead of me just trying to tell you how to do it, that's fine. So just go to this link, and you're going to click there, and it's going to take you to yet another AdFly thing. Now, the reason why I do this is because it does shorten everything for me, and so I don't have these long links, and it does give me a little bit of money, but it doesn't cost you anything. It's really easy, and it takes 5 seconds more, so hopefully people don't mind. So then you're going to see this 180 upload file, or 180 upload. I don't really care what it's called, but anyways, it is a great website for big files. And so you're just going to see this part underneath the ads. You're going to want to hit continue. Now you may have to wait like 30 seconds, but I mean it's not that bad. And so then again, you're going to see another page that looks very similar, and it's going to say like watch now, all this good stuff. There are going to be some ads, and I'm going to close this ad right here, and down here at the bottom you're going to see download Windows 8 Pro EN US ISO. But anyways, that's the file, and so it is up and it's working. I've tried this about 3 times because my video recording thing had messed up like 3 different times, so I've made this video like 3 different times. But all you're going to do is you're going to click on this if you want the 180 upload download accelerated to download it for you. Now what that is it's a third-party program, and it just speeds up the download. So I guess you could relate it to a torrent, like uTorrent or something, but it's not. It's a direct download. I'm sure you've used it for other programs before, and I mean all of this is completely legal. This is not torrenting, but that was the best thing I could relate it to. But anyways, I'm just going to uncheck it because I want a direct download. So now when I click on it, it's just going to download like a normal file would. So I'm going to hit download, and it'll do this down here. And you're going to see it pop up right here. 1 day left. That's just because I have horrible internet right now. It should take about 5 hours if you have decent internet. Maybe even less if you have really good internet. And maybe you get a day. But I mean, you can wait that long, hopefully. So I'm just going to cancel it because I already have the file downloaded. But that shows you that the download link does in fact work. And I mean, I'm not saying that in a mean way or anything like that. I'm just saying that it does work. And so anybody that says it doesn't work maybe just doesn't know how to use it. So now I'm going to go to VirtualBox or Oracle VMware or VirtualBox. You can also use VMware if you want. And so I'm just going to remove all these files. Yes, I want to delete all files. And so I'm going to select new. Now this is what you're going to be doing. And you're going to want to type in Windows 8 or whatever you want to name it and hit next. Then you're going to want to basically just go with what this says. Recommended memory size is 1024 megabytes. And so then you're just going to want to create a virtual drive now, and so hit create. And yes, you want it to be a VDI file, and you want it to be dynamically located. And you're going to want at least 25 gigs, just because 25 gigs is what it needs to run. Well, it needs 20 technically to run, but anyways. So now you're going to have this created, and you're going to hit start. Now this works very similar in VMware. If you want to see VMware, you can go to my other video that I just showed you, and that one is VMware, and I don't really explain setting it up, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Now you're going to select the file, so I'm going to click that little icon and find the file. So I have it right here, and I'm going to hit start. I'm going to make this big, and it's going to hopefully show you this. And if you don't have virtualization turned on, restart your computer, go into the BIOS by hitting like F2 or F12 or whatever it is for your computer, and turn virtualization on. There are going to be a couple messages that come up if you have like a theme like I did, but as you can see, it is a Windows 8 setup. So it is in fact working. Everything is very, very nice. I don't know. That's actually really cool. I've never done that before. Let's drag this up and go like that. Awesome. Okay. Anyways, that pretty much shows you how to run it. I'm going to power this thing off because I don't really have a use for it. I'm not really using it right now. I'm using Windows 7 because I really like this theme that I have right now. But anyways, hopefully that answered any questions that you had, and hopefully I'll be able to just send people this link when they ask about the links or anything, because that'll I guess be a better way for me to show you than just to tell you. So anyways, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, if you thought it was helpful, like it. If you like me and think that I can be helpful, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe, because it helps me out and it helps me get you some better videos, better quality videos and stuff like that. Hopefully you are a subscriber already. It's awesome. You guys are awesome. Hopefully I'll get that link up for you. It's been down. I don't know why it went down. It should not have gone down. But anyways, I will see you guys later.